Hi there. Welcome to BBConnect, our advanced and future-ready ERP platform designed for educational institutions. In this video, you'll learn how to download and log in to BBConnect. BBConnect empowers faculty and staff with seamless access to essential academic and administrative information anytime, anywhere. The app enhances communication between teachers, students, and school authorities, ensuring smooth coordination and efficient management throughout the school's academic journey. To get started, download the BBConnect app from the Google Play Store. Once you've installed the app, enter your school URL as shown on the screen. Click Submit to proceed to the login page. On the authentication interface, do not enter your username and password in the standard login panel. Instead, press the Admin button located in the bottom corner. You will then be redirected to the dedicated login page for faculty and staff members. Enter the username and password provided to you by the school administration or IT department. Press Sign In to enter the home page. Explore the home screen to discover key features and streamline your daily workflow. Now you can efficiently manage all essential tasks with ease. Take attendance, enter exam marks, apply for leave, access student details, and much more. Your credentials work across multiple devices, allowing seamless access from your phone, tablet, or desktop.
That's it. You have successfully logged in to BBConnect app.